Hello friends, thank you for watching all our videos. I will promise to give you the best. Subscribe on our YouTube channel, NOLLY Rainbow Kids. Click the red button below. Also give us a like. Papa?
Yes, I'm checklessing it so that I'll take it to school and me and my classmates will licking it.
Okay, no problem.
But so says, let me tell you the truth is. The truth is that I'm checking this papa in case of incasity.
Yes, English speaker. Correct yourself. It's not in case of incasity. It's in case of necessity, if you don't know.
Sorry for the mistakings. But I know it is you that used to went in and take this papa when it ripens. And doesn't you know that my English is oralins?
Better be. Excellent.
Wait. So says. Oh, you want to correct me on how to spoken English and you are telling me incident. What is incident is? What type of rubbish is this? Hey!
I don't have anything to tell you.
Hey! You want to correct me on how to speak in English and you are telling incident. You don't know that my English is oralins? You don't know? Hey! Nonsense. It's when I will see your hand in this papa when it ripens. You will see what I will do to you that day. Nonsense. Incident. Nonsense. Come and go to broccoli, let me see. Broccoli my foot.
I'll be the first person to lick it up. Enter. So, do you see any key? No. Do you see the key that I kept here? No. Who locked the machine? You don't know? Precious! Precious. Are you the one that loves this machine?
Yes, of course.
Give me the key. I
What's
want
the
to go
problem?
to Lock Stories for the girls.
This key, I'm not giving it to you, and you're not taking it from me.
Give it to me. I want to go to bro closing. Please, please, and please.
Going to that house, if you know what you're going to do, doing it now. Bro closing my foot.
Bro
Speaking
closing your
English as if I can't speak English.
Bro closing your foot. Don't worry, Chidindu, let's go.
You want to go to bro closing? Come and go into bro closing. Let me see Esther. Rubbish. Going to bro closing, not knowing what you are going to bro closing to do it. Come and go. Let me see Esther. Rubbish nurses. Every time you're going to bro closing. Come and go. Rubbishness. You wouldn't doing it anything you're going to do in the house before going here to bro closing. Every time you be telling me you want to go into bro closing. Come and go. Rubbishness. To the fuel I put in here. Sources! Sources!
Yes!
Will you come in here right now? What happens to the fuel that I put in here?
Oh. You are asking me. You are asking me.
Why wasn't I asking you?
You are asking me. Have you forgotten the day you did it to me? Have you forgotten? Me and Chidindu was going to bro closing, and you locked the machine. You seized the key.
Hey! So you are turning yourself to another thing. You have taken Tony's stick and turning yourself to another thing. You having the audacity to put in the fuel that is inside these machines. You having it? Hey!
Okay, wait.
So today, I'm the one who removed all the fuel. Wait.
Oh! I'm coming.
Looking at this girl,
Take a look at the fuel.
oh.
Take a look at the fuel, precious. This is the fuel. And if you mess up this evening, I will open this fuel and put it on the ground. You will not do anything, precious.
Try it.
Okay, I should try it.
Try it.
Okay, now.
I will bless you and I will slap press you here now.
Okay, now look at me.
I will bless it and slap press you here now.
What will you do?
In fact, you are just casting with
I'm
me.
pouring it.
You are just casting with me.
Okay.
I will catch you and beating you and I will slap
I'm
press
going
you.
to open this fuel and put it on the ground this evening. Precious, you're not going to do anything. Precious, you're not going to do anything.
Oh, if I catch you, I will beatless you and I will slap press you. Oh, you don't have any respectings. You don't have respectings on me, right? You don't have any respectings. Now point it. You see what I'm going to do to you. Jesus, I'm chocolate and you are. I'm chocolate and you are.
It's so black in color. How? How what's in here, man? How what's in here? Let's follow by the side and pass.
By the side is scared. By the side is scared. Oh. This bag.
Leave it alone, George. This bag.
Maurice. Are you Joe? This Maurice, they makes me to be tired. If not for God, Hi, this cow could have taken his big horn and carry up us. Hi, I am tired. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Joe.
Good day, ma.
Welcome.
Good day, ma.
Welcome.
Ma, my sister wants to learn how to sew. Please, can you allow her to learn?
Yeah.
Okay, like, is it free or is she going to pay?
Yes.
Okay, ma, like how much? Is it or is it free?
50,000 naira.
50,000 naira.
Who wants to learn? Is you or my sister?
Ma, she's the one working.
Yes, ma. I want to learn in this so I will make big money.
It's okay. After learning your own, when you are sewing your own, you make a big money. Okay, auntie, write the list for us.
I will sewing it fine clothes like this. I'm sewing it like this. This clothes is finest.
So, as you can see now, they sew the women clothes and the female, including children one.
Wow.
Even senator, 1,005.
You see? Only 1,005. Make a big money.
Yeah. Even blouse, woman blouse. So you can make it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ma, we communicate later.
All right.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Bye.
Did you know that this woman has made money with this her business?
This auntie is such a greediness. Let me listing them out. 2 critics of malt, 4 critics of mineral, 5 bottles of granite, 1 pintis of gardener's egg, and 35,000 naira. Hey, who will pay? This auntie, she's such a goodness.
35,000 naira. 35. 6,000 naira. Hey! Let's go. After we tell Auntie Joy what the woman said. Okay, yes. Let's go. Let's go.
Precious and sauces.
Ah, Amarachi, you're already here. Precious! Be fast now, let us go. Huh. First, Joy. Hey, look at this fine clothes I shirted for you. And look at how I shirted it to Sisi. To Sisi clothes. Eh? You cannot wait and be going out. Eh? Hey, this one is good. This one is good enough. Let us go. Eh? Look at how I just shaped these clothes. And you look so Sisi in the clothes.
Hey! So you are the one that shapeless my clothes. You are the one that shapeless my clothes. You shapeless my clothes with Sisi. In fact, it have gotten out from Sisi. It's not Cecilia.
This cloth is good on you to wear and go out now. This cloth is good on you.
You shapeless my clothes with Cecilia. And you are telling me to wearing it. You are exposing me to wearing it.
Hey.
How dare I you?
This cloth is not good. Come, this cloth is just a Sisi cloth. After you stop wearing all this in work, come, wear this one, let's go.
Come, leave me alone. Leave me alone. You shapeless my clothes to be Sisi. In fact, it's Cecilia, not Sisi. Nonsense. Okay, I'm comment.
Are you not going again? Ask how. Are you not going again? You should not going again. Precious! This quiet. Eh? Night is coming. Night is coming. Eh? I hate this rubbish food. I hate it. What kind of nonsense is this? Shift, come and stay this side. Precious! Hey.
You look like this one. You look like this my clothes. Look inside the neck. Look in it very, very well. You saw it this one now. You shapeless Cecilia for me and exposing me to wearing it for you. You're exposing me to wearing it for you. Continue looking at this one now. Looking at it. The necklace. Looking at the necklace.
You want to wear this oroboroba and follow me to Adaku's house? It's impossible, Precious. It can never work. In fact, it can never work. You will not follow me and go to Adaku's house with these clothes. You don't fit to wear that Sisi clothes that I shot for you. And you're here wearing oroboroba.
So says, this is fashionized clothes. Don't ever you try to call my clothes shapeless. This is fashionized clothes.
I don't like this clothes, Precious. I don't like it. Go and remove this oroboroba.
Come on, touchless my clothes also.
Hey.
Touchless my clothes. Who dares you to touchless my clothes?
Go and remove this clothes, Precious.
I'll slap press you. By the way, is it me that sent you in Adako's house to bring get your books before? Don't ever disturb me. If you don't want me to wearing this clothes, you leave me alone and go in on yourself.
Go and remove this shapeless clothes. This clothes is shapeless.
Don't ever call it this clothes shapeless. This thing is fashionized clothes. Don't see you nosing it. Don't see you nosing it. Fashionized clothes like this, and you are talking me that this clothes is shapeless. Don't ever trying it again.
Precious, this clothes is shapeless. I just oroborobo. Just take a look at your back. It's lovely. Take a look at your back. Your back is open.
Fashionized. a lie.
Well, let's try it again. Tempe. It's a failure.
It's a lie.
I have 6
I opened my leg, you say I closed my leg. It's a
You
lie.
have 2 points.
There's nothing like that.
Auntie Precious, me and her was playing tempe. Then now we have 6 points. She says it's a lie that I only have 1 point. And she have only 2 points.
Oh, Auntie liar! Huh. I wanted you 6 points. Why you haven't 1 point?
Wait, you called me liar?
No.
You called me liar?
No, Auntie liar.
Okay, liar.
Yes.
Okay.
So is that why you both are fighting? That is why you both are fighting, right?
I wined her, so I won't allow her to take in my 6 points. And she's there lying that I gotten 2 points. You a liar.
So you both are fighting, eh?
Points.
Auntie, I have 6 points. Then she have 2 points. Then she now be doing Ozoro, not be reasoning her
You
voice.
both will fight here right now, and I want to see you both fight.
Auntie, please, now, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Auntie, please let us now. Auntie, getting mercy upon us.
You that cannot speak good English, you are here fighting, eh?
Auntie, it wasn't my fortes. It wasn't my fortes, but I can't allow her to take in my 6 points. I can't allow her.
So you mean 6 points now is the problem?
Yes, of course.
Success.
Auntie, I was the one that won.
You are a liar. 5 points, you 5 points.
It's a lie. I won you. You open your leg, I close my leg. Then you close your leg, I open your leg. Then you open your leg. You did not catch me. I was the one that caught you on the last time. Then I now have 6 points.
It's a lie. I was the one that haven't that 6 points, not you.
It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie. Before I have 5 points, then I now win you this last one, which making it 6 points.
Auntie, getting mercy upon us.
And now you guys should go inside and you know what to do. Precious, have you washed your school uniform?
Yes, I washing it.
You washing it? Yes, you washing it. Tomorrow it will be no, I washing it. Or are you success? Go and wash plates now.
How everywhere is scattered. Like this cloth is dirty. Chidindo! Come, please. Go and get me my top. I want to go out, please. Be fast. Be fast, I want to go out. Chidindo, are you deaf?
No.
You are not deaf.
Yes.
I told you to bring my top and you bring cup. Get me my top, not cup. Top, not cup. Top. Come on, top. Go near the fan, you will see my skirt. Bring it for me. Children, is this skirt? I told you to bring skirt for me and you bring scarf. Skirt is for wearing. Please go and get me my skirt. What is the difference between skirt and scarf? Eh? Skirt is for wearing, while scarf is for tying on the head while going to church. I'm not going to church. Get me skirt, not scarf. Hey!
Mechanic.
Good afternoon. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
Hi.
How can I help you?
Sir, I didn't know what is happening to this machine. It's having little problems. So I need you to remove the stomach.
Okay. You want to remove the stomach?
Yes.
Can it be okay for you? I will do it for you.
Okay.
But it will cost you more.
Like how much are we going to spend?
To remove this stomach for you, it will cost you this month.
How much?
I think I can collect 5,000.
5,000 naira only?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Are you okay like that?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Then you go and come back. You people will go and come back. Do it very well.
Do it very well.
Okay.
The mechanic is doing it very well.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
This is Soja Crazy. Can't you see how big it is? Okay. See, you do like so one of the this job, Soja Crazy. Jump, follow me, jump. Let's bite
It's a fast. How fast?
this Soja Crazy will bite me.
Okay, come. Let's fast.
Come, put your leg here. You calling this thing Soja Ant? Does this thing looking like Soja Ant? Is this not Soja Crazy? And you're
It's
telling
not
me
crazy.
Soja Ant?
It's such an ant. Look at the ant. You want to buy something wet, and your head is so that crazy. Come, let's go and carry the machine, bro. Okay, mechanic, good evening.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
See, we have come here too.
Okay, I've worked your machine and I've finished working your machine. How are you? You have come to collect your machine.
Yes, we have come here to carry our machine.
No problem.
Okay, mechanic, where is the machine?
Look at your machine there. You are starting everything. I'll do what you told me to do. I have finished my work. I've worked finished. I've finished my work. I need you to pay me. I'm going somewhere.
Okay, mechanic, you meaning this thing?
What do you mean?
You meaning this thing?
This is your bike. Tell this.
I told you to renew the machine and you're removing all the stomach.
I've finished my work.
You mean this is the machine we brought to you yesterday?
That is it. I need my money. I'm going somewhere. You are wasting my time.
Okay, mechanic, you must button this machine for us. I told you.
Mechanic, we told you to renew the body, that the machine is just having a little problem, but you just scatter the machine.
Yes.
What do you mean? What did you tell me? When you come here yesterday, what did you tell me? I have seen what you told me. I've done everything that you told me to do. Your life.
Okay, mechanic, you better go and buy new machine for us.
Yes.
Come, get over here.
What's a new machine for us?
I'm not joking. I will slap you. This is your bag. Pay me my money.
Okay, mechanic. What's a new machine for us?
You small guy.
What's a new machine for us?
You don't have respect for elders. Eh?
Okay, mechanic, you better buy new machine for us. So,
Remove
hey.
I'll beat you.
You must button this machine for us.
I will slap your sister. Tell her to leave me alone. I slap her.
No,
Tell
okay,
her.
you must button new machine for us.
Which machine? I need my money. I have to do your job. I need my money now. 5,000
You
naira.
must button new machine.
My 5,000 naira. I need it now. Or I slap you.
You must button this machine for
I will
us.
slap you. Remove your hand on me. I will slap you now.
Hey! Okay, mechanic.
Okay, mechanic,
What
release me.
do you mean?
You better buy a new machine for us.
Okay, mechanic.
I want my machine finished. She don't want to pay me.
We told you to renew this machine. You removing the stomach. Okay, mechanic.
Okay, mechanic, you have to buy a new machine for us. So. Hey!
I will not buy any new machine for you. What do you mean?
You go work out for you.
I have tried your machine finished.
Ma'am, leave am. It's okay. You go work out for you.
Okay. I need my money. Tell her to bring my money now.
She will give you your money.
Because I'm going somewhere.
She will give you your money.
She's going to pay me 5,000.
Don't slap her again. She will give you
I will
your
slap you more and more and more again. If you dare cross me again without my 5,000, I will slap you. I will kill you. I will kill you.
Okay, mechanic.
Dare cross me again, I will kill you here.
You must button this machine for us.
Okay, mechanic, you have to buy this machine for us. So.
You must button
Hey!
this machine.
This is your machine. Go, go.
Thank you for watching all our videos. We promise to give you the best. Subscribe on our YouTube channel. Click the red button below. And also share with your friends. Don't forget to give us a good comment. Thank you. Bye.